तो मैंने ये आई शेडो पैलेट यूज किया है ये लुक पाने के लिए. इफ यू वांट द सेम, watch the full video. Before we start, I'll hydrate my lips. I'll prep my face with a moisturizer. For primer, I'm using this. Because I don't have a permanent dark circle or the pigmentation, that's why I'm using only this to conceal my face before I go for the foundation. I'm using same shade and one shade darker. So for foundation, I'm using this. This is Lotus Ka Eco Stay Intense Serum. And I'm using this tapper brush. So whenever you apply the foundation, make sure you just drag them down. This brush is used for blending the foundation. So you can use a sponge blender. I'm using brush because I'm very much comfortable with it. So I'm not completely dragging it. I'm just tapping and give it a stroke. I'm using this first. I'm using this to cover my lower lashes. So for setting spray, I took this Maybelline Ka Fit Me. So I'm taking this color right now from Maybelline. I'm taking mascara. For mascara, I'm taking this from Mars. So the best way to apply mascara, so keep your mirror downwards and then apply the mascara. So whenever you are taking out the mascara, never do this. Some people will do this to take out more mascara, but you will end up with the more bubbles inside the mascara. So make sure you are just taking out the mascara and extras यहाँ पे रखो and one पे अच्छे से लगाओ, then apply on your eyes. So this I find very easy to apply mascara instead of doing this. And to apply the lower lashes, look up like this and then just run over your lashes. We are done with the mascara. So this is one of the lipsticks that I came through and I just love it. I love the color, the pigment. You'll just witness it. You can see the color. It's chocolatey, nude and absolutely beautiful. Now you can see the color. I'll just adjust here and there and we are good to go. So this is my final look. Let me know guys how much rating you are going to give to this look and the makeup. Let me know आपको ये कैसा लगा. ये सारे products के link मैं main video के description box में दे दूँगी. आप वहाँ से जाके ले सकते हो. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. In that way we grow together. I'll meet you in my next episode. तब तक के लिए make your skin smile and bye bye.